Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a speedometer gauge on your Ford F-150. A non-functioning speedometer can be caused by several factors, including a faulty vehicle speed sensor, issues with the instrument cluster, or general electrical problems. We will start with the simplest solution, checking your fuses. Locate your truck's fuse boxes, typically one under the hood and another in the passenger footwell. Consult your owner's manual to identify the specific fuses for the instrument panel or speedometer and inspect them for any breaks. Next, let's focus on the vehicle speed sensor, or VSS, which is vital for accurate speed readings. This sensor is usually found on the transmission or the rear differential. Visually inspect the sensor and its wiring for any obvious signs of damage or corrosion. To test its functionality, use a multimeter to check the resistance across the sensor's pins. A healthy VSS typically shows a resistance reading between 190 and 250 ohms, indicating it is within operational specifications. Now, let's examine the wiring and the instrument cluster. Carefully inspect all electrical connections leading to the VSS and the instrument cluster. Look for any loose wires, frayed insulation, or signs of corrosion, as these can interrupt the signal flow. Sometimes, the problem lies within the instrument cluster itself, where internal components can fail. If you suspect a cluster issue, some specialized repair services can rebuild or replace these units, often with a 5-year warranty. If you've performed these checks and your speedometer is still not working, it might be time to consult a professional mechanic. Diagnosing complex electrical issues or repairing internal instrument cluster faults often requires specialized diagnostic tools and expertise. A professional can accurately pinpoint the root cause, whether it's a deeper wiring problem, a faulty computer module, or an internal cluster component, ensuring your Ford F-150 is repaired correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.